Alright, today at Sinister Diesel, we're going to be installing our DPF-Back Exhaust, and this is going to improve exhaust tone while improving exhaust flow. And the best part about this kit right here is that you can choose any exhaust tip that you want to run from the website with this kit. It is perfect for sound and a clean look. Alright, I'm going to show you guys how to install this. It's pretty much all bolt-on, so let's get into it. This piece right here, you will have to cut to according to the length off the directions. So we have a crew cab short bed, so you're going to have to measure from the top down. And like I said, this is a short bed, so this is gonna be 16 1/4. Now that we got it cut, let's go ahead and put it on. When you get underneath the truck, there's gonna be a flange right here, and it is 3 bolts that are 15 millimeters. But just go ahead and get those bolts off. Just like that. And then you got 2 hangers, one in right here in the front, and there's gonna be another one in the back. But just go ahead, get it off. So when you get the stock exhaust off, you will have to take off these brackets that come on it because you're going to be using it on the new exhaust. All right, now when installing it, first step you're going to be doing, using this piece and throwing it on, just like so, and bolting it on first. All right, next you're going to get this pipe and put on your brackets on up here first, just to make your life a little easier. Go ahead and just slide it in. Once you get that pipe on, you're gonna wanna go ahead and put on the other hanger bracket back onto the frame. Back right here. Bolt it back on since you're gonna be using it. And then you wanna go ahead and put on your last pipe on here. It's just gonna fit on just like that. All right, now lastly, once you tighten all the clamps and get all the hardware good, go ahead and put on your new exhaust tip. Just like that. So if you want to check out this DPF-Back Exhaust off Sinister Diesel, make sure to go to the website at sinisterdiesel.com.